In this question from the chapter mensuration, it says parallel sides of the trapezium are non-parallel sides are given as how much? 25 and 13. And the non-parallel sides, as you can see, its non-parallel sides are given equal. That means it's an isosceles trapezium, which are 10 centimeter. And what we have to find out is the area of the trapezium. Now, what we are going to do first is to make an isosceles trapezium. Let's say if I make one such isosceles trapezium, and keeping in mind here that the non-parallel sides are equal in length. So let's say this is a isosceles trapezium where these are parallel sides A, B, and C, D, and the non-parallel sides are mentioned as 10. So this is BC as 10 centimeter and AD is also 10 centimeter. What I can see that the parallel sides are 13 centimeter and 25 centimeter is what? 25 centimeter. Now for finding the area of a trapezium, what's the formula? That is half multiplied by altitude, that multiplied by the sum of the parallel sides. So we have A and B, as you can see that the parallel sides are given, and this is 13 and 25. So we need to find out the height, and that's what we are going to do. We are going to do two altitudes. We are going to make two altitudes, and these are from, I'll make the altitude from, yeah, actually I've drawn two altitudes. One is AM and the other altitude drawn is say BN. Now check here that here these two sides are parallel and altitudes drawn on the same sides are also parallel. So it becomes what? A parallelogram, and you can figure out from here that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So this is going to be 13 centimeter. Right. So if this part is 13, let me once again write down 13 over here. If this is 13 and 25 minus 13 is how much? 25 minus 13 should give you, that's 12. So yeah, that's coming 12. So if this is 12, using the congruency concept, this will be 6 and this will be 6. That means this is DM and CN will be 6 each, right? One more time, what I mean to say that this whole length was given as 25 and the length of MN is given as 13 centimeter. Not given, we figured out this is 13, and therefore we can say that DM and NC will be equal. That's because of the property. Now we will come to the working of the question. What you can see here that we can apply right angle triangle property over here. You know that each angle, here this angle is given as 90 degree. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So that is the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, AM square plus DM square. So the length of AD is how much? Given as 10. So this is 10 square. AM is what we have to determine. So AM square and DM is 6. So that is 6 square. This is 100 and this is 36. So 100 minus 36 is equal to AM square. So this is how much? 64 is equal to AM square. That implies the length of AM is how much? We can get AM as under root 64, which is 8 centimeter. So check here. Now we got the height here. Here onwards, we can just plug in the values to get the answer. So the area, which is half multiplied by the altitude, which is 8, right? We just got this as 8. That multiplied by the sum of the parallel side, which is the parallel sides are 13 and 25. Yeah, that's the parallel sides here. This can be reduced. So this is 1 times, this is 4 times. So area comes out to be what? 4. And this is the sum of 25. So 5 plus 3, that is 8. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So we'll get area as how much? That is 38 multiplied by 4. So it comes out to be 152 centimeter square, right? So applying the area of a trapezium, which is half multiplied by sum of half multiplied by altitude into sum of the parallel sides. This will be the area.